Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can summon in the Helite summon of Dragonair Silent Gods. So I made this video is for the new player or the beginner only that still confused how to summon or gacha the hero in this game. So let's get started by tapping the summon icon at the top of your screen. So currently there are three summon banner here, but mainly there are two, Helite and the Starlight. So let's get to the Helite summons. So in this Helite summons you get guaranteed legendary if you are fail attempt some few times, and also you can get a guaranteed legendary after 80 summon. So in this banner you have to use this Helite dice to recruit mighty heroes of high rarity in advanced summon. You can read the details here about the dice and the probability and guarantee rules like this. The number 1 Helite dice, legendary heroes 3%. If you fail to summon a legendary hero a few times in a row, you are guaranteed to get a legendary hero on number 35 attempt. And you also get epic hero 17%, and you can read the condition here. I've got this dice. You can get this dice by buying in the store or completing some event. And I'm just summoning in this banner. I get legendary, but if you're not lucky in this banner, you can try this main banner, Helite summon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well as the button below. Enjoy the game.